Hi everyone. Recently I made a video on this particular platform which has been paying me very well ever since I made a video with it. And trust me guys, if something is not properly working, I won't post it here. So if it is for testing, I'll always see it on my video. But this particular one is still working perfectly fine. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money, more ways that which you can earn money using this platform without much investment or just by withdrawing from this platform. So it's very simple. What you just have to do is when you come to this M board here, you just click on M board, and as you can see, let's just just load up. Then you're going to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you can see people are posting their withdrawals proof. They are posting their withdrawals. So for example, look at this: today withdrawal successful thanks to Anchor Assist. You made my day, right? So if you look at it, this guy withdrew 5,840 and it was credited 5,548. So after, when this guy posted this testimony, this guy was credited with 600. Now if you look at this place now, this coin is equivalent to 1 naira. One of these coins is equivalent to 1 naira. So this guy is credited with 600 naira. Let's look at another one. This guy made a post of 1,004 and he's credited with 200 naira. So guys, depending on the amount that you withdraw, it depends on the amount you withdraw. That's what you are going to be credited with. It's going to be like almost 10% of what you withdraw. For example, this guy withdraw 5,000 plus and he was credited 600 naira. This guy withdraw 1,004, he was credited 200 naira. Then this guy withdraw 1,4 as well. Look at this one. This guy withdraw 19k and he was credited with 1,800 naira. So you can see there are more ways to do. Then how can you post your withdrawal proof on this using this particular on this platform after you've made your profit? So if you look at my balance now, you see that I deposited just 4,000 naira and I'll be able to withdraw up to 18,000 naira on this particular platform, and I still have my money counting that I still have to withdraw once it is mature for me to withdraw. Is going to be available on my balance. So another one, so this how to do it. I'm not sure if I just came across this actually, but I'm not sure if a withdrawal that has been late can still be used, but I'm going to make use of one of my withdrawal that I did. So if it's going to work, let me just use it. I want to teach you how you can get across with this. So you're going to click on this publish. Okay, let's quickly check the rule. It says share withdrawal screenshot to earn cash reward. Method 1: send your latest successful withdrawal screenshot to the comment area. You will receive a reward of 100 naira to 10,000 naira immediately after passing the review. Method 2: write your experience in the comment area and tell others users how much money you have earned here. After passing the review, you will receive a reward of 50 to 5,000 naira. So you can see that. Alright, so that's the rule. Then if you want to post, then this is how to post. You click on publish here. You click on publish, but before I publish, because I will need to post something, let's just go back to, you see now, this is where I have to put my utterance, and this is where I have to upload. So I need to upload my last withdrawal. So let's go to my account and let's go to withdrawal record. I'm going to make use of probably one of the highest withdrawal one. So this is if you want to check your withdrawal record, you click on fund record. Then you need to swipe this up button. You swipe it this side. So when you swipe, you see withdrawals here, right? So I'm going to be making use of this 5,000 naira one, which was made on the 27th of May. So I'm going to click on it. So you see this now. So I'm going to screenshot this, right? I'm going to screenshot this. Then I'm going to crop it out. So I'm going to crop. I can even leave it this way, but I can make it so that they will know that this is the one I'm using. Then I'll go back to the account I withdraw it to my OPay. So let me quickly get that from my OPay. So as you can see on your screen now, I've gotten it. If you check the date, May 27, almost exactly the same time. So I'm going to screenshot this as well. Then back to the website. Alright, so the next thing is to go back to this M board, then click on publish. Then I'm going to upload those two photos. So click on this one, select, and this is the second one, right? Then I'm going to add the two of them. So the two of them have been added, right? So I'm going to say, let me just say something good. Wow, unbelievable. Thanks to this amazing website for making my day. So I'm just trying to say something good. So I'm not sure I'm actually going to get paid for this, but I'm just doing this for you to know how to do when you want to do your own as well. Because this video has actually been long, so I'm not sure if they are going to credit me for this. But let's just give it a try if it does. But I'm very sure if your withdrawal is still the latest one, you are definitely going to be credited. So now after that, you're going to click on publish. So are you sure you want to make this post? Yes. Click on confirm. Then it's going to be posted. Okay, the forum posting time is from, okay, I'm actually making this because they said the forum posting time, the time you can make they have the time range. This is actually 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I'm going to continue this video by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm going to show you guys for the continuation of yesterday's video. As you can see on your screen now, I actually changed my caption to just thanks so much Korea for this successful withdrawal. So I'm going to publishing this now, and let's see what it comes. Don't forget, this video is just for me to teach you how to publish your withdrawal proof, and you make money with it. Okay, so the blog has been published successfully. Please wait for, so as you can see that, then I'm going to be credited on this as soon as possible, as soon as they confirm it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.